Alright, in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this glitch effect. Hi people, alright, Tony here. So today is gonna be a tutorial. I'm gonna teach you guys how I did this very simple glitch effect. It's inspired from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, the Miles Morales movie, and it was amazing. And yeah, it definitely has to be one of the best, if not, to me, it's the best Spider-Man movie I've ever watched, ever. And yeah, so let's just get down to it. First thing first, I use a tripod. Of course, you use a tripod, and you capture a clean plate first. So I capture a clean plate around 20 seconds, and you just put it at the bottom layer. Alright. So this clean plate honestly can be as long as you want. So this is my clean plate. At the part where I throw, okay, so I create a cut. So at the part where I throw, the first shot I did is just me walking in, then just do a simple throw towards the ground, and I swear to God, like, the apple did fall. So the apple got smashed, that's the thing, if you guys didn't know. So yeah, so the apple was really abused in this video. I'm so sorry, apple. Anyway, yeah, so the first shot is just me walking in and just throwing the apple onto the floor for real, so that I can really get the effect. The second shot is just me catching the apple, so I just freaking flip it up in the air, just like that. Flip it up, catch it. And I had to really bounce just to create the effect. Then just, you know, swagger and just move out of the frame. Alright, so I'm gonna get the shot from where I freaking jump. So around here, right? So this shot don't need. Alright, so throw, catch. I think around here, because I catch around here, right? So I need to, it's just the small details that I want to just get it down. So I catch around here, so bam. Okay, cool. So this small portion right here, the part where I have to glitch like that. So this small portion, I'll just cut it out right there. And you see, as you can see from my original time, to create this glitch effect, what I did was I used a VR digital glitch right here, which is as you go under effects, just glitch. I'm not even kidding, you just go glitch, type glitch, drag it into this. Alright, but you see, what happened was that the whole scene is glitched out. So what you're supposed to do is, this is why clean plate is important. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to mask yourself out. So you're not supposed to just VR glitch onto the scene, or else it will just grab the entire scene, right? So you have to mask yourself out. That's why clean plate is really important. So let me just Ctrl Z. So this part, I just have to create a mask. Sorry, as you can see, I haven't changed the bottom layer yet. So -90%. This is why you need a clean plate, so that you can get this part down. And because it's a glitch effect, it's okay to not, you know, be precise with the mask. I can just use this eclipse mask right here. So you go under opacity, and of course you just click any mask. I mean, I just use eclipse so that I can just surround myself with the glitch, and from there then you can drag the glitch effect down, and yeah, you see, voila, and it only affect that area. So another effect you need to put in just to really sell the glitch is chromatic aberration, VR. So you just put chromatic just right there. It's right here under effects, immersive video, VR chromatic aberration. Put it in, then should be there. All the red and all the digital stuff should be there. Alright. So without chromatic aberration, this is with chromatic aberration, and you guys just play around with the. You see, you can play around with the red, the greens. It's so freaking cool. The blues, and yeah. For off distance, I have. Of course, what's left to really sell this is sound effects. That's right, guys, sound effects. So for me, I have this glitch sound effect, so I'm just gonna copy paste. So you just find any glitch sound effect, and for me, I'm just gonna copy paste this over because I'm too lazy to even find it in my freaking file. Okay, render done, so that I can really show you guys how it looks like. So after rendering, once you add the sound effect, once the effect is done, PremierePro, catch, bam. Simple. Alright. So that's it. That's the tutorial. Isn't that quite simple? So to summarize off the glitch effect. First, you need a tripod. You need to shoot with a tripod to make it very easy for yourself and your life. And next is you must capture yourself a clean plate, like empty shot of the whole scenery that you're gonna use with the tripod. The next shots are basically one shot of, for me in this scenario, is one shot of me walking in, acting all cool and throwing the apple. The next shot is of me teleporting and catching the apple. So that's what you need to capture. And of course, you just need to add in at that certain point where you teleport. Alright, you teleport is basically mask the area where you teleport in. Add in these two effects, chromatic aberration and then the glitch. Alright, then that's it, and you have basically this following video. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, if you guys like this video, please subscribe and give this video a like. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something new. I had fun being inspired by SpiderVerse universe with this glitch effect, and I hope you guys did as well while watching the movie. Alright, so stay creative, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video.